Hello everyone. Now we are going to see about the position of different elements in periodic table. We have studied what is periodic table stands for, how the arrangement of elements are there, but just by knowing electronic configuration of any elements, how we can predict the position of that particular element in periodic table, that we are going to see right now. Let us take an example of the calcium. Calcium is having atomic number 20. So what will be the electronic configuration for calcium? Now calcium 20, that means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. How many are over? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 12, 12 and 6, 18. So out of 20, we have classified 18 electrons, so only 2 are remaining. So next one is 4s2. So now here it is a 4s2. So this is the subshell which contains valence electron. Always go and concentrate the valence electron whether and where they are occupying a place. Now in case of calcium, the last or a valence electron is occupying a 4s subshell. That means as they are in s subshell, so they are a s block element. As they are in fourth part. What is this 4? 4 is nothing but a number of shell. So they are present in fourth period, because the number of shell is always equals to the number of period. Now how many electrons are there? 2. So from the start of the periodic table, only second group, as it is 2, that means second group of the periodic table. So group number is second. So what is the position of this calcium in periodic table? It is placed in group number second, period number 4 and present in S block. Like that, if we take an example of fluorine. Fluorine is having atomic number 9. So we can make the electronic configuration like 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Electronic configuration over. But just by saying this electronic configuration, we can just make a comment over here that the last electron is entering into p subshell. So fluorine is a part of p block. As the number before subshell it's 2, that means it is a part of second period, and as the number of last electron is 5, that means fluorine is the fifth group element in case of p block. Before p block, how many groups are there? 2 groups for s block, then 10 groups for D block. So 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 groups and fifth group of P block. That means in totality 17. So 17 group of the periodic table where the fluorine get occupied their position. Next one. If we take an example of titanium having atomic number 22. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d2, in which valence electron is entering into 3d subshell. As it is occupying D subshell, so this is a part of D block. As the number before subshell is 3. So now this number 3, what is this 3? As this 3 is before D, that means this titanium belongs to which period? Obviously, it belongs to third period, because the number 3 is before subshell and D is the subshell, so D block. And how many electrons are there in D subshell? 2. So how to know the number of groups? As this is D block, but before D block, which is the group present? S block. In case of S block, how many groups? 2 groups. And in case of D, how many groups are there? This is second group of the D block. So 2 plus 2, in totality 4. That means fourth group of the periodic table it belongs to. So this is how we can easily know the position of any elements in periodic table. Let us we take one more example to give the more simpler information. If we have atomic number 10, 10 is the atomic number of neon. So what is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So after these three examples, we can easily say that the last electron is under 2p. That means as electron is entering into p, so it is p block element. As the number before p is 2, that means it is in second period. And as the number of electrons in p is 6, that means it is 6th group of the p block. But before p block, how many groups are there? There are 2 blocks, in which S block contains 2 groups, then D block contains 10 groups. 2 plus 10, 12. 12, and this is the 6th group of the p block. So in totality, 18 group of the periodic table this neon belongs to. So this is how we can exactly know the position of any elements any element in this world by just knowing this electronic configuration. So this is what the position of elements. Thank you.